What are sigils, how you can create, and how you can make your wishes come true. This is part 2 of the series on how to manifest and have fun manifesting. Hi everyone, this is Jaya Karamchandani and welcome to this part 2 series on sigils, sharing different methods on how you can make your wishes come true in simpler and yet powerful way. Last week I shared the unique way of sigil. Today, let's dive deeper into the second method on how you can create, activate, and then let it go in the universe so that your wishes come true. If you're new to this channel, quickly subscribe and give us a like, and don't forget to press the bell notifications. But if you're part of the family, leave me the comment on last week after observing or watching the episode. Which wish did you create the sigil for, and what results have you seen so far? Let's dive to create this sigil from the second method. In this part 2 on how to create sigils, let's talk about the other method on how you can do it. So as I shared earlier in the part 1 what a sigil is and how you can create, in this part 2, this example, I am abundant. Let's have fun on how you can create another way the sigil. The rules are the same. Sigil is the intentional symbol where you put your intention to make your wish come true. Now, for this video, as you see, you have to draw a table where from 1 to 8, each number has been assigned few letters. Then you write your wish in present tense. I am abundant. And the rule is the same. You remove the vowels I, A, E, I, O, U. So I is gone. A, take that off. You take that off. And A, you take that off. Second, you put the letters and take away the repeated letters. In this case, M. Here it's B. And I wrote N, there is D. Now we already wrote N, so we don't need to write again. Take that away. There is T. Now, once you have the letters from this intention, I am abundant. You have the letters M, B, N, D, T. If you look at the chart, the value for M is 4. Value for B is 2. Value for N is 5. Value for D is 4. Value for T is 4. Once you write these values, now for M the value is 4. You see here 4. So the trick is, in the same sequence as these letters are here in the numbers, you connect the lines. So if I were to start the line from 4 to 2, next from 2 to 5. You can get creative. 2 to 5. Then it's 5 to 4. And it's again 4. So this pattern, if you were to draw, suddenly you notice that you started with 4 to 2. And then it went from 2 to 5, and then 5 to 4. So the sigil for you for this wish, I am abundant, if you were to write on a separate piece of paper, if you see, the sigil is I am abundant. So this is exactly what you're going to do. You cut this part of the sigil as you see here, and this is I am abundant. You have to activate this. Once you cut this shape, or even if you write on just like this sticky, you hold it in your hand. Add your intention to it, feel it. And you can activate it when you are sweaty, you went for a jog or the workout, you activate it. Or just bring the emotions of the happy times when unexpected happiness, like winning the jackpot? How will you have the goosebumps? Imagine that energy and hold it. Trust it. I am abundant. It will get activated. Or breathe in through your nostrils, breathe out through your mouth till you feel you are calm and you feel the energies on your third eye chakra. Feel this intentional energies in this sigil, the symbol. Once you do that, now it's time to let it go. And how you do that is by destroying it. You can burn it and then flush the ashes. You can cut this shape and then let it flow in the river or water. You can also bury it in a plant, or you can draw on a candle and let the candle burn. Make sure your wishes are positive, not for harming anyone. You create a wish from baby steps. Take simple wishes and have fun. See how this wish of yours has come true. Let me know which wish you saw manifested. I hope you enjoyed this, learning this second method of creating the sigil. Quickly give me a like and share with your friends and family so they can create the sigil and make their wishes come true as well. And don't forget to give us a like here as well. See you soon. Take care.